Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and sign up into a Venmo account. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, I hope you've downloaded Venmo into your application or your mobile phone, or if you don't know how to, just simply go ahead into App Store and search for Venmo. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on the first icon and simply go ahead and download it. Once you've done that, go ahead and open it. And now in order for you to go ahead and sign in, just tap on all these arrow buttons and click on sign up. Once you've done that, it's going to ask you to go ahead and enter a phone number. Simply go ahead and enter your phone number. Then it's going to send a text message to your mobile phone, and once you've entered the code that it sends you back into the application, then it's going to go ahead and ask you for username, and you will be logged in into a brand new account. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next